First game of the season, misses his last shot.
Second game of the season, man.
First game for us. Us three together. Al almost made it. What do you guys say about that shot, Al?
Not very good. It was better than Tom.
Oh no. The end.
Film yourself like a GoPro over your head. Yeah. Capture the Derek's first throw.
First throw.
Is it already recording? Yes, it is. No pressure, Derek.
Well, you know, just the MVP.
I'm gonna take this shot. Son. How does that feel on tape? Save it for the people.
Who won first place today?
I think we all know Tom did. Oh, captured like a Dambus.
Hey man, come on, man.
Dude. I don't know if I stopped it. Oh, I thought you dropped it.
You got press